Hi, I'm Josh, and today I'm going to show you how to make chicken ceylon from scratch. Before I begin, please take a second to subscribe, like the video and click that notification bell. Thanks. For this Madras heat recipe, we're using the fantastic spice gift set from Faz at Curry by Air Spices. Each spice blend is handmade at the Akash restaurant in Portsmouth. I'll link their details and a full list of all the ingredients for the dish in the description below. Okay, let's get cooking. To begin, heat a pan on low to medium and add 3 tablespoons of oil. Once hot, add a 3-inch piece of cassia bark, 2 cracked cardamom pods, 10 curry leaves, fresh is the best if you can get them, and 2 chopped green finger chilies. Fry gently until bubbles form around the spices, then add half a medium finely chopped or blended onion and 1 tablespoon of garlic and ginger paste. Stir through and fry for a couple of minutes to gently soften. Sprinkle over 2 teaspoons of mix powder, 1 to 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 3/4 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of methi leaves, 1/4 teaspoon each of coriander powder, cumin powder and turmeric powder. Fry for a couple of minutes, adding a little amount hot water if things look a little dry. Stir in 3 tablespoons of tomato puree mixed with 3 tablespoons of water and continue to fry for around 30 seconds to cook out the bitterness. Add half of the remaining water and cook for a minute or two to reduce slightly before adding the rest and mixing well. Allow to reduce again for a further couple of minutes. Stir in 2 tablespoons of coconut milk powder and 1 teaspoon of sugar and allow to reduce again for a minute. Time to add your choice of protein. So add 6 to 8 pieces of meat, vegetables, paneer or tofu. Coat well to stop it drying out. Then add a 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala and a squeeze of lime. Reduce for a minute before adding 50 grams of broken up coconut block and stirring through. Continue to reduce for around 5 minutes and serve when the sauce reaches your desired consistency and when the meat is cooked through if you use raw meat. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe, and check out this and many more recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.